Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant wishes speedy recovery to Amitabh Bachchan. Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and expressed his concern. Here's what Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said. Wishing speedy recovery to Shri Amitabh Bachchan ji. I'm sure you will win this battle against COVID-19. Goa Health Minister Vishwajit Rane also wishes speedy recovery to Amitabh Bachchan. Goa Health Minister Vishwajit Rane took to Twitter and expressed his concern. Here's what Vishwajit Rane posted. I join the whole nation in wishing Shri Amitabh Bachchan a quick recovery. All of India will be praying for your speedy recovery from COVID-19. Get well soon. Amitabh Bachchan, who tested positive for coronavirus on Saturday, is now stable with mild symptoms and is currently admitted in the isolation unit of Mumbai's Nanavati Super Speciality Hospital, revealed the hospital in a statement on Sunday. The veteran actor, 77, and his son, actor Abhishek Bachchan, 44, were admitted to hospital on Saturday evening after testing positive for COVID-19. Other than Amitabh and Abhishek Bachchan, the rest of the Bachchan family members, including Jaya Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, have also undergone tests for COVID-19 and their results will be announced today, reported Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope on Saturday. The veteran actor has confirmed that he will keep on updating his fans about his health condition via Twitter, said the hospital. Talking about the current medical condition of Amitabh Bachchan and Abhishek, Dr. Abdul Samad Ansari, the head of critical care of Nanavati Hospital, told reporters on Sunday, huge responsibility on our shoulders to treat the biggest icon and his son. Their condition is stable. They have mild symptoms and their vitals are under control. Usually by 10th or 12th day, peak disease impact on body is witnessed. Today would be the 5th day since Amitabh ji's symptoms had surfaced. Have to watch closely for another 7 days and see how the disease evolves. On Saturday evening, Amitabh Bachchan revealed his coronavirus disease in a tweet in which he wrote, I have tested COVID-19 positive, shifted to hospital. Hospital informing authorities, family and staff undergone tests, results awaited. All that have been in close proximity to me in the last 10 days are requested to please get themselves tested. An hour after Mr. Bachchan's tweet, Abhishek Bachchan also revealed in a tweet that he is COVID-19 positive. Earlier today, both father and I tested positive for COVID-19. Both of us having mild symptoms have been admitted to hospital. We have informed all the required authorities and our family and staff are being tested. I request all to stay calm and not to panic. Thank you, he wrote on Twitter. Amitabh Bachchan worked for long hours even during lockdown, details of which he even shared with his fans on Twitter. In his tweet, the actor who was shooting for the upcoming season of Kaun Banega Crorepati also added the disclaimer that proper precautionary measures were taken on the sets. Amitabh Bachchan was last seen in Sujit Sircar's film Gulabo Sitabo, while Abhishek Bachchan's first ever web series Breath Into the Shadows recently released on Prime Video. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.